Hello again my friends. Now in this tutorial we'll learn how we can set a password for winrar folder. Simply guys, as you can see, go to your desktop or any place you want. Here as an example I will create a folder ABC as a name. Okay, we have a Word file. Okay, Word document. Okay, now I want to archive this folder and set a password for this folder. Okay, simply right click to this folder, ABC folder, select add to archive. Okay, here guys, go below and click set password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, again. Okay, as you can see, now we have a new archive file ABC. Now I will delete the older one. Okay, now when we want to open or unrar this archive file, right click, extract to ABC. We should to enter the password. As you can see, I will type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, the folder will extract it. Simply guys, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.